The beast from Bavaria returns. The BMW X7 has always occupied a unique place in the luxury SUV segment, offering a near-perfect blend of imposing presence, opulent comfort, and serious performance. For 2023, the X7 doubles down on its duality, gaining mild hybrid tech for the xDrive40 diesel variant, while wearing a price tag that encroaches on Bentley and Rolls-Royce territory. Starting at $166,900 before on-roads, the new xDrive40 diesel is playing in the big leagues. But does it have the goods to back up the price? Nestled under the sculpted hood lies a 3-liter twin-turbo inline 6-cylinder diesel engine, now supplemented by a 48-volt mild hybrid system. Total output is a stout 320 horsepower and 516 pound-feet of torque, good for a 5.9-second 0 to 60 miles per hour time per BMW. The diesel grunt means effortless acceleration, while the hybrid tech smooths out auto stop-start and improves economy. The crisp shifting 8-speed auto and xDrive all-wheel drive work harmoniously to put the power down. Given its 5,400-pound curb weight, the X7 won't be keeping any M cars up at night. Still, adaptive dampers and rear axle steering help it drive smaller than it is. Leave it in comfort mode and the air suspension ably soaks up imperfections. Sport tightens things up to aid body control, albeit with a firmer ride. The steering hews towards isolation over feel, but provides reasonable feedback for an SUV this size. That thrifty diesel achieves 24 mpg combined per the EPA, and our real-world mileage matched those figures. A larger 26-gallon tank gives the xDrive40 diesel a 600-plus mile range. The X7 makes an ideal road trip companion, provided your passengers don't get carsick easily. The new 48-volt electric system's instant torque fill gives this X7 a newfound spring in its step, while cutting consumption. Inside, it's more palace than passenger car, but is that enough to justify the new price of entry? For the right buyer seeking uber-luxury SUV bragging rights, maybe, the rest of us will keep dreaming from the sidelines. BMW has created an undeniable force of nature in the new X7 for better or worse. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews and updates. See you in the next video.